Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.